to all. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Economic System. In India, our economic systems are divided into three sectors. The first sector, that is called primary sector, the second sector that is called secondary sector, and the third sector, that is called service sector. Now students, first we are going to see about the primary sector. The certain resources are obtained directly from the nature and are used by us. Students, we are getting such things that is directly from the nature. Example, food grains, fruit, vegetables, these all things we are getting direct from the nature. We obtain wood, some medicinal plants, gum, etc. That also things we are getting from directly nature, from forest, and milk, meat, bones and the leathers, these all things we are getting from the animals. We all know that such things we are getting from trees, from forest, and such things we are getting from the pet animals. We get fish from the waters and the minerals from the beneath of the earth surface. If we want fish, then we are getting from some oceans, okay, some lakes, some seas. We are getting such seafoods from particular place. While the minerals are there, these all minerals we are getting from the beneath of the earth surface. In short, forest, agriculture, mines, animal husbandries, fisheries, etc. provide a raw material to us for food and the industrially manufactures products or goods. These activities are categorized as the primary sectors. So in short students, primary sectors, these all things we are getting direct from the prime base. After that, the secondary sectors, it is also known as the manufacturing sectors. The certain primary products, such as it has to be processed into the finishing products to be any use to us. Such economic activity is called the activity of secondary sector. So students, the primary things we are getting from the nature, and after that we have make it polished or the manufactures the new things, that is became a secondary sectors. Now example are that manufacturing cotton textile from the cotton. The cotton textile should be there, but they are manufacturing such things. So the basic things are from cotton. If cotton is not there, cotton textile should be not happen. So from the cotton, they are manufacturing such new things or new cotton textiles. Extracting the oil from the cotton seeds, manufacturing jaggery and the sugar from the sugar cane. Okay, we are getting the sugars and the jaggeries are there, but the main things are sugar cane. Making bricks from the soil. Small and large scale industries are there. Manufacturing machineries, that means of transport, means of communications, electrical equipments, consumers goods, chemicals and dyes, clothes, defense equipments, etc. are a part of the secondary sector. These all are the examples of secondary sector. That is why it is also known as the industrial sector. So students, the secondary sector is also known as the industrial sector. After that, the third sector is that is the service sector. It is also known as the tertiary sectors. The primary and the secondary sectors cannot be functions without this sector. The raw materials or the finished products have to be transported to the various manufacturing unit or the traders for various means of transport, and the infrastructures becomes the essentials. So students, from the basic primary sectors we are getting such things directly. After that, polished and making the new things from the secondary sectors, and after that, when we became the transport or the infrastructures we are giving. So that is the main thing is that, and the service sectors, that is the essential. To maintain the communications between the manufacturing and the trading units are called telecommunication. Letters, internets, etc. are the essential. To sustain the entire network or the productions and the distributions, educations, health, banking and insurance facilities are required. In service sectors, these all things should be required, like internet, okay, the educations, health, banking, insurance facilities. In the modern times, ATM, call centers, software designings, etc. have become the very important service